Hi guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm coming to you with a product review of some items that I just received. This is from Sashka Company. If you haven't heard of them, they are a free trade company that sells products like bracelets and earrings from women who produce them in Nepal. They're made of glass beads, stainless steel, and they do come in a variety of different colors and styles with a lot of really positive messages behind them. And I was curious about them. They reached out to me and I said, absolutely, I would love to review their product on my channel. Let you know what I think. Okay, so let's open it together. It came with a sticker like that. And if you see, it says a lot of the same messages that they do provide on some of their bracelets. Now in my case, I am going to be showing you the ones that are just the glass beads, okay? So they do come packaged like this in this pretty little bag, which would be beautiful for gift giving. And here's their message in a nutshell here. It says that this bracelet was hand crocheted bead by bead by a skilled artisan in the Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. I think we can all stand behind that, especially we women who are creative and like to make products to sell or to gift to other people. So I do stand behind that, and that's the reason why I said yes to Sashka Company. These bracelets here, just to let you know, they have fun names, and this one in particular is called Beach Day, and I did get 2 of them. So I'm so happy that they sent the lilac one, and I'm going to move these things out of the way so you see the color. Look at how pretty. And now the way to put them on, which is like this, is that you just tuck your thumb into your hand and roll them real easily. And they do conform to the size of your wrist. They come with a lifetime warranty. And there are a number of different patterns, and they are each, oh my gosh, they're so much fun. So you're going to want to go online, and I'm going to provide the links, of course, for you to look at them so that you can see they have names like watermelon, game day, things like that. And then they're all each very unique and in patterns. And look at, I mean, the colors are so vibrant and so beautiful. I also picked up this one called Cape May. So let's take a look at that one. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, and as you see, it also comes with a little card. Look at that one. Oh, I love blues, so this is right up my alley and perfect for the summer. And you know what? They feel really comfortable. It feels nice against the skin, kind of, you know, nice and cool because they are glass beads. But look at that. They're so, so pretty. And again, they will conform to the size of your wrist. So if you have a larger wrist than mine, which chances are you do, then that's okay. They're going to stretch, but it doesn't feel like they're going to break or anything. They don't feel, I don't know how to explain it. It feels really sturdy. So there's those. I absolutely think that these will be part of my summer wardrobe. And yeah, I'm really happy with those. So I am really excited to be able to share this with you. And I just wanted to let you know that because I do believe in women supporting women, and I truly stand behind that, I wanted to share this with you. So what I would like to do is that I would like to give one of these away. So if you know anything about this YouTube channel, you'll know that I am all for supporting other women. I think that it's a good thing to encourage one another, and instead of competing against each other, I just truly don't believe in that. So this bracelet was one that I picked out because of the name. It's called Sister, and what I would like to do is I'd like one of you, my viewers, to win this bracelet. And here's how you can do it. You can support my channel. How do you do that? Just share this on Instagram, share it on Facebook. Help me reach 2,000 subscribers, which is my next goal. And I'm really close. So I'm hoping that you guys would help me with that. And then in turn, leave me a comment below. Let me know anything that you would like to let me know with either the hashtag sister or whether or not you shared it on social media. Come back and let me know that you did so. And that way your friends could also enter, you know, because it'd be wonderful to be able to say that, you know, someone that you knew won the bracelet in case you don't. So again, it's purely just for fun, showing support of other women. And oh, and then the bracelet, just to let you know, it's not like these. Yeah, if you see the pattern, look at how beautiful. I thought that this would also be, you know, something really pretty for anyone else to wear. And this one's got the gold beads with the blue and the white, which I think, I don't know, I'm hoping that you guys like it as much as I do. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And of course it's going to come with this gorgeous little pouch in case you don't want to keep it and you want to gift it forward, then it'll be all set for you to give away. So yeah, I'm hoping that you guys like this video. Let me know your thoughts. Which one do you like? Again, this one is called Cape May, and then these are called Beach Day, which I think all three of them together kind of look cute, don't they? Like you can mix them around, do the blue, lavender, I don't know. I know these are all, you know, I'm the monochromatic girl, but I love the hint of gold on that. I think that's really nice for the summer. And yeah, let me know what you think of Sister. I think we have a sisterhood here on YouTube. At least I feel that we do. I've met so many beautiful women here who are supportive of one another and who support my channel in turn and leave me the sweetest comments, and we've gotten to know each other. Some of us have chatted through videos, called each other, that sort of thing, and I think it's wonderful. It's a great way to meet like-minded people, and I hope that you guys feel that when you come to watch my channels. I hope that you feel welcome here, that you feel encouraged whenever you watch one of my videos, because that is my aim. So as I always say, I hope that you can be encouraged and be blessed, and come back and leave me a comment. All right? Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.